can't. You gotta put these seeds inside your butt. Oh, what doing pheromones out at it? You will right. Maybe. Read him and weed. What? Whoops. It's what? It's showtime. What? You're a treasure. I have a Beth just like you in my reality. Except you know what? She's not as brilliant or attractive.
Aw,
Thank
you.